began. I can't begin to know it, but then I know it's growing strong. It was in the spring, then spring became the summer. Who'd have believed that you'd come along? Hey everybody, my name is Paul Christopher Machete. I'm associated also with Audio Sounds. And we have a great little service. We do weddings, parties, and all kinds of things. So give us a call if you're interested in having some entertainment at your affair, during the summer, in the winter, anytime. We do a whole lot of things. Sweet Caroline, good time never seems so good. Yeah, I've been inclined to believe they never would. Oh no, look at the light. Thanks guys, we'll see you again.